Behind the scenes, how jewelry is crafted in a workshop. Welcome back, jewelry enthusiasts. In this exclusive behind-the-scenes glimpse, we're delving deep into the intricate world of jewelry craftsmanship. By now, you've witnessed the mesmerizing artistry that goes into creating these timeless pieces, and we're about to unveil the fascinating process that unfolds within the heart of workshop. As skilled artisans meticulously bring each design to life, precision and passion intertwine to form the very essence of craft. Now, let's take a closer look at the key stages of jewelry creation that make pieces truly exceptional. Firstly, it all begins with the design phase. The talented team of designers collaborate to sketch and conceptualize unique, breathtaking pieces that capture the essence of beauty and elegance. These initial blueprints serve as the foundation for what will soon become a wearable work of art. Once the designs are finalized, artisans carefully select the finest materials, from exquisite gemstones to high-quality metals. Each element is chosen with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that only the most exceptional components are integrated into the final piece. Now, let's shift our focus to the intricate process of metal crafting. Skilled hands transform raw materials into delicate frameworks, bringing the design to life. Whether it's the gentle shaping of a band or the meticulous setting of a gemstone, every step requires unwavering precision and expertise. As the metalwork nears completion, the jewelry enters the delicate phase of stone setting. Here, our artisans showcase their extraordinary talent, delicately placing each gemstone to enhance its brilliance and sparkle. It's a dance of precision, as every facet aligns perfectly to create a harmonious visual symphony. Now, let's talk about the finishing touches, the moment when the piece truly becomes a masterpiece. The craftsmen employ various techniques, from polishing to engraving, ensuring that every inch radiates perfection. It's this attention to detail that sets jewelry apart, making each creation a testament to both skill and artistry. As we conclude this behind-the-scenes journey, we invite you to marvel at the culmination of creativity, skill, and passion that transforms raw materials into the exquisite jewelry you admire. Every piece tells a unique story, from its inception in the designer's mind to the skilled hands that bring it to life. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of the artistry behind jewelry craftsmanship. Stay tuned for more exclusive glimpses into the world of fine jewelry, where beauty meets craftsmanship in the most enchanting way possible.